Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Shoaib Ashraf, and today we will discuss about almost 100 MCQs on the introduction to food analysis. So I will also share the PDF file of and the drive link in the description box. So we will discuss one by one all the MCQs, and as it mentioned, all the right MCQs are in bold. So first, which of the following techniques are used by the FDA in determining of the manner in which industry accept its responsibilities? So the first option is establishment, inspection, sample collection and analysis of product in process, surveillance indeed to identify new problems. So all these techniques are used by the FDA, so the option D will be correct. The number two is which of the following is a major role for the industry? So GMP compliance, product recall system, customer services, so all are the major role for the industry. So the correct option will be all of the mentioned. The third is which does the following task come under maintaining inventory of food processing system and its environment? So the right option is physical systems hazards control. The number four is which of the following is useful in troubleshooting for physical system hazards? So all the given options are correct, so the D option will be correct. A company must be on guard against violation. This is covered under product integrity. So as the guard against violence is ruled under product integrity, so the product integrity will be correct. Which of the following is an objective of quality assurance? So all the given options are correct, so the D option will be correct. Which of the following is covered under raw material quality assurance? So specification is also covered under raw material quality assurance, survey program, service. All the three are covered under raw material quality assurance. So the option D will be correct. The effort of QA to little day-to-day job is related to which of the following sector? So the question answer to little day-to-day job is related to service. So the service will be correct. Which of the following is not covered under finished product quality assurance? So finishing product monitoring, this is also not covered under finished product quality assurance, and the other two, special finished product survey or factory visits, these both all of the third one, A, B, C and A, B and C are not covered under the finished product quality assurance, so the correct option will be D. The number 10 is which of the following is a step under process development? So A, B, C, all the options are correct. So in this regarding, the D option will be correct. Which of the following categories are present in a company for any product? Completely new product and new product for company existing competitor products. So the C option will be correct. Which of the following information is required prior to launching a new product? That the information we required before launching a new product is product and raw material specifications, process development, plant location and operation. All the A, B and C options are required before launching a new product, so the in this regarding option D will be correct. Knowledge of which of the following is required for products under category A? 1. Completely new product. All the three A, B and C are also required for product under category 1, so the D option will be correct. Which of the following deals with how food is edged by the customer? So the sensory analysis will be the correct option. Industry lobbying, local to international rules, quality and food safety, etc. include which component of the food industry? So this industry lobbying and the international rules are includes in the components of the regulation. So the regulation option C will be correct. Which of the following does not constitute 90% of dry weight of any food? Fibers are does not contain 90% of the dry weight of any food. So the option B, fibers, will be correct. Which sentence is untrue with respect to the human body? Unconsumed water, broken fats. So the A option will be correct. Which provide energy very slowly? As we know, it's a biological question, so fats does not provide energy in very quick way. So the fats are energy providers that are very slow. Which of the following is untrue? A gram of fat contains 5 calories. So this is the statement which is untrue. So the option C will be correct. Storage requirements and stability products attributes conductive to product sales, etc. The above activities refer to which type of the food analysis, food industry. So the product attributes and the product sale, we can say that from these 2 points that it is the activities these refer to distribution. So the option C will be correct. With respect to the definition of an allied industry, which is an allied industry with the food industry. So the packing industry is allied industry. So the B option, packing industry, will be correct. Food industry is a high volume industry, hence any losses may be a major loss to the producer. So that's a true statement that any losses will be major for the producer. So the option A will be correct. Increasing agriculture efficiency in the most important way to make sure food production meets the necessity. Yes, this statement is also true, because we have to increase the agriculture efficiency to meet the production and to meet the requirement of food. So the option A will be correct. Meena learns how different minerals and vitamins are affected when exposed to certain conditions. Which one of them did she not comprehend properly? So in this regarding, option C, fat and oil in cold condition gets spoiled. This statement is not correct. So the right option will be C. Alicia noticed that fruits after ripening lived shorter than fresh vegetable. Which of the sentences pertaining to the above observation is correct? Fruits have old cells as they were not meant to be survived by nature. So the option B is correct, because yes, we know the fruits have old cells, so they are not naturally meant for to survive. So the option B will be correct. Number 26 is the storage of prepared food dash areas in dash of oxygen creates condition for dash. Which option best fit of the above sentence? So the storage of the prepared food in warm area in the absence of oxygen creates condition for putrefaction. So the option B will be correct. Which of the following is not a process wherein the food becomes toxin before ingestion? So the bacterial infection will be the correct option. Given below are certain facts about food contamination by fungus. Which of the following statement is untrue? So the D option is the right option, because all the A, B and C are true. Deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates in fact leads to marasmus. So it's a disease which is due to the deficiency of protein and carbohydrates. The number 30, the disease caused by the deficiency of iodine is goiter. It's a biological question, and we have read it in 12th standard that goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. The mineral which contains the functioning of thyroid is iodine. It is also a biological question, and we know that iodine is the main mineral which is required to control the functionings of thyroid. Which of the following does not contain sugar? So in the given options, potato is the right option because potatoes does not contain sugar. The food components present in sugar is carbohydrates. It's a chemical. It's a chemistry student. It's a chemistry question related to chemistry because we know that sugars are also called carbohydrates. I mean to say that carbohydrates are also called sugars. So the right option is carbohydrate. The percentage of the water in the human body is 70%. Is also known by. We know that it's a very general question. Foods like pizza, burgers, and noodles are rich in carbohydrates. The number 36 is dash provide more than double the energy provided by carbohydrates or proteins in the human body. Fats, the right option is fats because fats provide more than the double of the energy provided by the carbohydrates. Number 37, the component of food which help our body to fight against the infection is protein. So by nature, protein has the capability to fight against the infection because we know that the number 13, 38. Dash is essential for forming hemoglobin in the body. Iron, because we know that the iron is also the main constituent of hemoglobin, as we know that the magnesium is the main constituent of the chlorophyll. So iodine is required for forming hemoglobin in the blood. The disease caused by the deficiency of iron is anemia. It is also a well-known disease. Dash helps to maintain a constant body temperature in our body. Water helps to maintain a constant body temperature in our body because we know that it's a thermostat liquid in our body that is required to regulate the body temperature, because when we get when we are warm we lose water by sweating and we reduce our body temperature. Our body needs how many liters of water every day? 2 to 3 liters of water we required every day. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D is also essential for the strengthening of bones, and the rickets is caused by weakening of bones. So vitamin D is the deficiency. Vitamin D cause the deficiency of vitamin D cause the rickets. So the 43, excessive body weight due to the overnutrition leads to obesity. We know that every woman is struggling with obesity. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods. It's also simple. Jaggery is a food source of carbohydrates. The highest concentration of the minerals are found in the bones and the teeth. Iodine is used to test the presence of starch in the body in the food. Which of the following is a protein source of plant origin? Soybeans. Yes, soybean is rich of proteins because the bodybuilders who don't like to eat meat or beef or chicken, they eat soybean to fulfill their requirement of protein. The minerals we get from the fish is iodine. The night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. And the fat is completely designed in the small intestine. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. Which of the following is incorrect? So A, B, and C all are correct. So the correct option will be none of these. Which of the following is a must in food labeling? So name is also required, standard specifications are also required, place of origin are also required. So all the mentions are required. So the right option will be D. Which of the following need not to be in the same vision of field? Product name, quantity, date mark, at the place of origin. So the right option is place of origin. It is legal for a label to say the product cures XYZ disease. No, your product does not have any cause to any disease, so it will be failed if it causes any disease. So this statement is false. Food authority means the food should must match the description. Yes, food authenticity means that the food that you are making or producing or distributing should match the description. Which of the following is a form of misdescription? So, incorrect origin, incorrect quantitative description, extending the food, and all the three are a form of misdescription. So, the right option will be D. Food processing in India is concentrated in which sector maximum? Unorganized sector. Which amongst these is a factor for proceeding food in India? So the all the options are correct. So the D option will be correct. Which of the following are not key constraints of the food processing industry? Inadequate quality control, high packaging cost, low demand, poor infrastructure, as in no cold storage warehouses access. So the right option are low demand. Low demand is not key constraints of the food processing industry. Which of the following is untrue? So A, B, and C, all the three options are correct. So the right option will be D. None of these, yeah, or none of the mentioned. The biggest processing segment under food processing is the meat, poultry, vegetables, and oil industry. Yes, that's true. Export of marine products has been on a decline. Yes, that's also true. A substance intentionally added that preserves flavor and improves taste is called food additives. Yes, this is the definition of food additives. Food additives are all the substances that are intentionally added to preserve flavor and improve the taste. So this is the end of my video. I will also add the drive link of this file in the description box, and you can check it up and let me know in the comment box if it was helpful in the introduction of food analysis to prepare the MCQs or multiple choice questions regarding the introduction to food analysis. Thank you.